So what is going to be the best gaming phone for you in 2022? In this video, we'll break down the top 3 gaming phones on the market this year based on price versus performance and situations they'll be used in. So whether you're looking for the best overall gaming phone or the best gaming phone for the money, stay tuned. We'll have the perfect option for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First up, the Asus ROG Phone 5, our pick for best overall gaming phone. The Asus ROG Phone 5 has design features and software perks that heighten your gaming experience. From its AMOLED screen to its more unseen internal refinements, ROG 5 is one of the best gaming phones you can get right now. In addition to being the best gaming phone out there, it's also one of the best phones for enjoying any type of media, given its great display and extensive battery life. The black, rectangular design is highlighted by an ROG logo on the back cover that's RGB lit, and filtered through blocks that give it an 8-bit look. The ROG Phone 5 runs Android 11 out of the box, with the ROG UI overlay that's attractive and simple. Internal hardware includes a Qualcomm SM8350 Snapdragon chip, 12 GB of RAM, and the phone is 5G capable. The 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display is HDR10 Plus certified and is capable of displaying sharp visuals and vibrant colors, and is as good, if not better, than nearly every other flagship smartphone out there. The real benefit for gamers is the 144Hz refresh rate, offering much smoother action when playing games that support higher FPS. The screen has a 300Hz touch sampling rate, responding to finger presses far faster than many phones, but not as high as the Black Shark 4 that we'll see later in the video. When rotated sideways, 2 ultrasonic buttons on the top and bottom of the right side become shoulder buttons. They're responsive and easy to map to whatever game you're playing. Battery life is excellent, and you can get up to 12.5 hours of use from a full charge. If you're on the hunt for the best overall phone for gaming, the Asus ROG Phone 5 is a clear choice. From its high-refresh AMOLED display to its powerful internal hardware, there's a lot to like about this phone, and its excellent performance extends to other media types too. Next up, the Black Shark 4, our pick for best gaming phone for the money. The Black Shark 4 has some great gaming-focused features, including an AMOLED display, super fast refresh, and high touch sampling that gives you the most for your money. The Black Shark 4 has a simple, low-profile design, and in true gaming fashion, offers pop-up shoulder triggers that provide more intuitive physical feedback and gives you more precise, customizable control in competitive games. But their usefulness doesn't end at just gaming. The triggers can be mapped to carry out other functions when you're not gaming. For example, you could use the bottom button as the shutter button in a camera app, while mapping the top button for zooming in. As a gaming phone, the Black Shark 4 isn't overly heavy or bulky, and it's light enough to fend off fatigue when you're gaming for long periods of time. But the relatively compact body can't house a high-capacity battery like the Asus ROG Phone 5, and claims just under 12 hours, but that number will vary according to how hard you're pushing it. To make up for this, the battery features 120-watt fast charging, which is one of the fastest charging solutions available on a smartphone, with full recharge times in the neighborhood of just 16 minutes. The display features a 144Hz refresh rate and 720Hz touch response. And thanks to the dual forward-facing speakers, the phone is really good at delivering great stereo sound quality, even without earphones. For in-game software optimization, an official app helps you manage installed games with a customized running performance setup. And the Snapdragon 870 chipset is capable of handling almost any Android game without any performance issues. If getting the best value for your dollar is important to you, the Black Shark 4 is a solid choice as a gaming phone. A lot of attention seems to have been paid to giving this phone a proper balance between gaming and general use, and you're sure to be impressed with its excellent performance and easy-to-use operation. Last but not least, the iPhone 13 Pro Max, our pick for best gaming phone for everyday use. The iPhone 13 Pro Max's bright, high-refresh display, superior performance, and long battery life make it one of the best gaming phones available for everyday use, with the capability to handle any mobile game out there. Not only is the iPhone 13 Pro Max a great gaming phone, but it's also ideal for everyday use. It has fantastic cameras that add improved low-light capability and night mode to all of the 3 12-megapixel sensors on the rear, and there's even a macro photography mode. The beautiful 6.7-inch 120Hz Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion gives you a faster, more responsive feel that really improves gaming. And under the hood, the phone can be configured with up to 1 terabyte of storage, meaning that you'll never run out of space for the best iOS games. Thanks to its new A15 Bionic chipset, the iPhone 13 Pro Max is ridiculously fast, delivering high frame rates and silky smooth action while gaming, destroying the Android competition. So Apple's claims that the new A15 chipset is powering things along more efficiently than ever before really do stack up. When it comes to the battery, the iPhone 13 Pro Max can give you as much as 35 hours of uptime for simple web browsing, email, and streaming, which is the highest of all the phones we've looked at so far. But gaming can put greater demand on the battery, and after some heavy use, the number might go down to around 14 hours, which still beats both the Asus ROG Phone 5 and the Black Shark 4. If you want a phone that will give you great performance for both gaming and everyday use, the iPhone 13 Pro Max is hard to beat. It has a gorgeous Super Retina display with high refresh, a powerful A15 Bionic chipset, and incredible battery life. If you guys like this video or this video helped you, please give the video a like. Links to all the products mentioned are in the description below. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button to keep up to date on the latest and greatest in tech. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.